Hello everyone, my name is Gigi. Welcome back to Gold Room Nails. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I do a soak off and prep my nails for a full set. So in this video, as you can see here, I am using a very dull nipper just to pry away at these Swarovski crystals because I have tried to use the e-file before for this and the stones get everywhere. You're literally grinding down on the stone and all the stone particles and everything goes into your eye, to your client's eye, into the air. It's a hot mess. So here's a little bit controlled, I just feel like. Also, this was meant to be a fill, but once I started to take off the color and the stones, my client decided she wanted to do a full set just because her nails have been on for 4 months. So I literally just found where her natural nail is and I just cut it on both sides with a straight toenail clipper. And this is just my method. This is what I find easiest. I don't like to use nail clippers. You know, the ones that you like put the whole nail into. I don't like using those. And then here what I'm doing is I'm using a extra coarse carbide bit. So the reason why I'm using that is because it's going to take down so much of the product. So when I go to soak the nail, the process does not take so long. The more acrylic you take off the top before you soak, the faster your soak off service. You know, working in a salon, how I used to before, you kind of learned things in a way to make your job quicker and easier. And also, you don't want your client sitting in a bowl just soaking in pure acetone, dehydrating their skin and getting very, very, very impatient and unhappy, because I feel like an unhappy client it's a nightmare. You're gonna lose money, you're gonna lose your patience, they're gonna lose their patience. It's a hot mess. Just do it this way, save yourself from the headache, and literally the nails shouldn't take more than 10 to 15 minutes to come off. So after I cut down the nails, sand them down as much as I can, I go ahead and remove the dust, and then I take cotton, wrap it over the nail, put some pure acetone, not nail polish remover, people, pure acetone, and then I take these clamps that I found off of Amazon. I clamp it onto the nail and it saves so much time. You're more in control. Your clients are sitting on a bowl and they're super happy because they don't have to deal with all that gunk. And then here I wait 3 to 5 minutes, rub it off a little bit with the cotton, and then this bit here that I use is a coarse ceramic bit. And what I do with this one is that I take off whatever has soaked off, whatever is gooey on top and flaking off. And then after that, what I'll do is use another bit, which is more softer. I believe it's a medium I think it's a medium ceramic bit as well. And I'll just do that over again. So with every step that I use or step that I do in wiggling off the cotton and then using that bit to take it off, whatever is left over, I will re-soak with the cotton and pure acetone. The reason why I say to use pure acetone and not nail polish remover is because nail polish remover does just that. It removes nail polish, and what pure acetone does is that it removes enhancements such as gels, even gel polish. Gel polish is an enhancement. It also removes it also removes acrylic. So, you know, I've heard people of trying to soak their nails that I do for them with nail polish remover, and to me it's the funniest thing ever. But you know, when you're not a nail tech, you don't know any different. So acetone, ladies. So here, as you can see, I'm just using that medium ceramic bit to take off the little bit of acrylic that is still on the natural nail. I'm not putting too much pressure. I'm literally just touching. It might look like I'm putting a lot of pressure, but trust me guys, I'm really, really, really not. And now everything is off, so I take a cuticle pusher and I just push back the cuticles as much as I can, being very gentle. It might look like I'm rough, trust me guys, I'm not rough. Well, maybe sometimes, but for the most part I'm not rough. Just like clearing up whatever skin and dust and whatever else is accumulated in those cuticles, just scraping it off a little bit so that when I go in with my sanding band, as you can see here, it's just attached, and I basically just use my sanding band to take off the shine, to even out the nail, and I also use my sanding band to even out the free edge, just so that I don't have to go back in and file that. Sanding band is a file. So yeah, I really hope that you guys like this video. For my next video, you guys are going to be seeing the full set that I will be doing with these nails. If you enjoyed yourself, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the little bell in the corner, just so that you guys can be up to date with the content that I'm putting out. All right, thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. Any questions that you have, you can DM me at Gold Room Nails, or just simply leave a comment down below and I will get to you guys soon. And all the products that I use, I will also link in the description box. All right, guys, bye.